Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be your designing developer, and I hope till here you all are fine and enjoying my videos. And if you are just enjoying my video, and I hope you will also enjoy this video. So please hit the like button, or we can say smash that like button if you are just enjoying my videos, which are just coming up here. And I hope you will be enjoying this video also. So today video is about like we will be making a REST API in Node.js with JavaScript, which will be really helpful for you. And you can just learn like how to build APIs in Node.js, which will be really helpful. So you can also build an API in Python by using artificial intelligence or data sciences. But it is good to just build a API in artificial intelligence by using Python. But I'm just telling for beginners like how to build a Node.js API if they have any word, or if you are working for any of job of Node.js, so you can just make a REST API for them, and you can work with that API if you want to do. So this video will be really helpful for you if you want to learn Node.js and Node.js projects, because I will be uploading now some of the Node.js projects which will be really helpful for you. And I just also uploaded many of them here, and check that out. I just only uploaded one, but I just make many of the videos of that which I will be uploading in future, and it will be really helpful for you. So we will be now starting with our project. So now today I will show you, like I'm telling you, we will be just building a REST API in Node.js. Okay, so this REST API is not like a project which I can show you in the front end. It is a backend work, so because of that I can't show you in the browser. So you have to run that, then it will be just running like in Python. We just work backend work. So like that, this REST API should be also in backend in Node.js. So because of that I can't show you in front end here. Just go to your search bar and write here like VS Code or any other text editor which you are working with. Just open that. It will be take some time to just open, but you have to wait till it is opening. Okay, so just wait here, and you can see now my VS Code has been opened. So I just also changed the theme of that, color theme, and then the icon theme. You can change that by downloading extension from here. So I will be using the same file like I've used in previously, because it will be really helpful for you. So just if you have done my previous project which I have just worked on Node.js, so just not erase this line which is just written here. Okay, so just erase that line, but not erase that above line which is just written, because here we have to work with that. Simply I will be just erasing this line here, then I will be just moving down by pressing enter. So when you're done with that thing, just come here and write here like nav bar. So simply come forward and then write here like that thing. Then before that I will be moving down, then I will be writing here div class name. Then in this class name you have to move and write here like nav bar, because we are just writing nav bar. So you have to do one thing, just copy this close div which is just written after this open div, then move down and paste here. So you can see we have done with that thing. Just move forward here and then write here like nav bar, then just write here like sidebar equal, then in here you have to write node. So you can see we have done with that thing. Just move here, make curly bracket, then write here like navbar dot node dot js. So when you're done with that, just close this curly bracket here, move down again, make a sidebar. Here I will be writing class, in it I will be writing name, close here, move and write app dot load. Okay, so here it is written application. So here I will be writing app dot load dot, and then you have to write here sidebar, and just you have to close this curly bracket. So take care of that when you're opening this tag here which I'm writing. You have to just open this curly bracket and close that. Then you have to also close the tag which you are writing here. Then I will be just moving down and writing another thing which should be like application. So just write here like application, then write here like cache equal, then you have to move and write here like app. You have to just close that here, move and just write here curly bracket, in which I will be writing random dot, then write here node.js dot navbar. So you can see we have done with that. Just I'll be closing this curly bracket and saving here. So just I'll be moving down now again, then I will be writing here like cache simply, which is just written at the top. So spelling is incorrect, but I will be just now doing it correct, so it will be easy for you to just remember. So here I'll be writing app equal, then you have to just write class here which is just written at the above, but it was just not written after this tag which I am just writing in equal to. Then you have to just move and write here like random dot float. Okay, so just erase this random here, because at the top we have written that. Here I'll be now writing array dot address, then you have to close this curly bracket, then you have to move down and write here like array, and then write here buffer equal, then write here like class now name. So you just have to close that here, move and then make this curly bracket here, in which I will be writing that to like import dot floor dot array, then close here simply. So when you're done with that thing, just you have to move down, then right here another thing which will be app, then right here like application, here you have to move, then same here you have to write floor, just close there, and then you have to move and write curly bracket in which I'll be writing floor application dot app. So just you have to close this curly bracket and move down here, in which I will be now writing another thing which should be like blur. So just right here, then you have to write drop equal, then right here like equal, which is just written at the top, but it was just written like after, before this equal to which we are writing here. Then I will be closing this bracket and now I'm making a curly bracket in which I will be writing a blur dot floor, then I'll be writing random dot app. So just you have to close here. You can see we have done with that thing. Just you have to move forward and then you have to save this file here like as it is, which is just written. Then I will be writing another thing here like here we have written. So here I will be now writing close client equal. Then move and just write that to a tag which will be like application, which is just written at the top. Closing here, making a curly bracket in which I'll be writing close dot random dot, and then you have to change that to a tag which will be like app. Just you have to close this here. Okay, so it is like a square bracket, but I will be closing with a curly bracket because in the starting we have also written a curly bracket. And just take care about one thing, like when you are writing a like bracket which is just written in starting, you have to also end that by the same bracket, but just you have to change that to a close tag. So take care about that things because it is really important to just take about grammar, because if you don't do that, so it will be just given error and your code should not work here. So here I'll be writing frame fragment equal, then you have to move and then write that to a tag which will be like navbar. So navbar is a class of that, so I can't just write here. So I'll be writing close that, then I will be making a curly bracket in which I'll be writing frame dot floor. Then you have to write that to a tag which should be closed. Now you have to just close this curly bracket at the end when we have just written and done with that things. Then I'll be moving down again, and here I will be writing that to a tag which should be like client react equal. This will just write here react, not react. Then I will be writing another tag which should be like reader. Close here. So here this React Redux is only a class, so it is not anything about Node.js, so don't care about like it is a thing of Node.js which we are working. It is only a tag and class which we are writing, so it is not any of the tag which we are writing here. Just tag is like this thing which I am writing here, like name of this tag at the here, which is just writing. Okay, so my computer is just lagging because my video is exporting like you have shown you in the premium pro, so because of that you can't just see some of the work which we are just writing. So here I will be now moving, then I will be writing that to a tag which will be like fragment again. So you can see it is just too much lagging here. So here I will be now writing floor, then you have to just write another thing which will be just like here like this. Then just close this bracket, just save here by going to file, press save. Then your file should be just save the location where you have done, and if you want to save that here, just go to file, press save as, or save if you have not saved your file. Then just select the location, give the name, and in the end you have to write .js to just save your file, because this file is in JavaScript. Node.js contains a framework like React does not contain any of the file with the name of like dot after that. So because of that, like this Node.js also not contains this file, it just contains the JavaScript file. Like React also contains a JavaScript file, in that we write our React code. So like that, here you have to make a JavaScript file in which we will be writing our Node.js code. So just I'll be saving this file, moving here and then saving that. So when you're done with that, just it will be now running, when you will be just running that in your terminal, or you can say command prompt which you are working with. If you are working in like app, you can say if you are working in Apple PC, or you can say that Mac, if you are working with Mac, so here you can open your terminal. But if you are working with like only Windows PC, so you can just open command prompt here, or you can also open the terminal from your text editor if you want to just do that and see that in shortcut. Then when you will be running that, so it will be just running. Just give your file name which you have saved and then select the location and run that, then it will be just running, and it will be just really good for you to just run and then see what REST API you are getting. So I've just written my own things. You can also write your own things to just make that good enough you can do. So just I'll be meeting you, and I hope you enjoy this project also, like to check my previous projects of Node.js. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.